In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Visual Studio Code on Mac. We'll walk through the whole process from finding the official website to choosing the right download for macOS, so you can start coding quickly and safely. I'll go slowly and explain what you're seeing on screen, so feel free to follow along step by step on your own Mac. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type Visual Studio Code and press enter. You'll be taken to a Google search results page showing different links related to Visual Studio Code. From these search results, look for the official Visual Studio Code website. It should usually appear at or near the top, and the link will include code.visualstudio.com. This is important because downloading software from the official site helps ensure that it's safe and up to date. Click that official Visual Studio Code link to open the website. Once the Visual Studio Code homepage loads, you'll see information about the editor, features, and some download options. On this page, look for a link or button labeled Other Platforms. This is usually near the main download button. Clicking Other Platforms will take you to a page where you can choose the version of Visual Studio Code that matches your operating system. After you click Other Platforms, you'll be brought to the main download page. Here you'll see several options for different systems such as Windows, Linux, and Mac. Since we're working on a Mac, find the section labeled Mac or macOS. Under that section, you'll see download buttons for Mac versions of Visual Studio Code. Click on the Mac download button. Depending on your browser settings, the download will either start automatically or your browser might ask you to confirm that you want to save the file. Accept that, and the Visual Studio Code installer will begin downloading to your computer, usually into your Downloads folder. Once the download finishes, you'll be ready for the installation step, where you open the file, drag Visual Studio Code into your Applications folder, and then launch it like any other app on your Mac. And that's it for downloading Visual Studio Code on Mac. Search for the official site, open the Visual Studio Code page, click Other Platforms, then select the Mac option to start the download.